Hello. This is my golden eagle from Dutch Bros that Chat GPT ordered for me. And way up here. Hold on. Oh, where is it? Oh yeah, this is the eagle nest. The eagle nest is up in here. This is the eagle nest with my golden eagle, and my cherry soft top is my signature. It's like a cherry on top, the soft top. I would try to do it live, but I need to recharge my battery. Hey, I found something. I think there's somebody. We are not alone. I'm not alone. There's someone over there in a folding chair. Oh, I did 10,000 steps yesterday. Alright, peace out.